Hello everyone, welcome to your favorite channel, Shoker Bagan London. Today is really big day for me because after such a gloomy, long winter, finally we can see the sunshine and the temperature has started to pick up. So this is the right time for you if you have got plants to take them out. Obviously, I'm going to take my plants out and I'll keep them in the greenhouse in my allotment. I'll keep them inside the greenhouse for a few days so that they get hardened or they get acclimatized with the environment. Because if I take them straight away to the ground from the indoor, the plant will get a shock because due to the change of weather and especially the temperature. Obviously, the indoor temperature and the outdoor temperature it varies in between 10 to 8 degrees centigrade, so it would be huge difference for the plant to cope with. So if you have got a plant, it is right time to take the plant out and keep them indoors, keep them in the greenhouse. If you don't have a greenhouse, what you can do, you can take the plant out for a couple of hours every day in the sunshine, keep them in the sunshine. So if you keep them in the sunshine for first day an hour, then following day half hour, an hour more means 2 hours. So every day you can increase by an hour. So the plant will gradually acclimatize or get used to the outside environment. So I will show you today what the plants I have grown this year, and it is really my pleasure because I made a huge effort since February to germinate and plant my plants that I intend to grow this year. So I will show you now what plants I have grown so far. So this is aubergine, brinjal or eggplant, whichever name you know, I don't know. These are aubergine plants. As you can see here, there are 3 types of aubergine in fact. The big plants you can see here, those big one and those big, there are 10 of those. There are 10 of those big ones. Among the small one, there are purple long aubergine. These are cucumber, and this tray in the propagator cell, as you can see, kohlrabi. I have got 2 trays of kohlrabi, 1 tray here and other trays is there. So they are kohlrabi. Actually they are mature enough to be planted on the ground. So I will plant them on the ground very soon, maybe by next week, because as I said, I'll keep them in the greenhouse so that they can get hardened and get used to the environment outside. And these are the Malabar spinach. This tray is Malabar spinach, and there are 2 pots behind this one. These are Chinese pothole. Those pot, they are Chinese pothole. And at the very beginning there are hyacinth plants or uri or sim, and these are actually, they need water. These are pak choi. There are 2 trays of pak choi in the propagator cell, and those plants in those seedlings in the pot, 2 of those pot, that pot and this pot, those 2 pots are Luffa. I don't know how do you name what do you call them? They are Luffa or Toru, other people may call it. And these are sim, uri or hyacinth. I've got a 60 pot of those hyacinth plants. In fact, there is 1 tray here and some of them over there. Then this one on the top trays, these are bitter gourd. Again, I have got 10 or 12 pots of those. In each pot there are, in some pot there are 3, in some pot there are 2, in some pot there are 4 as well. So these are the bitter gourd. And this tray again is Malabar spinach. And those plants, this is peanut. In fact, these are peanut. There's 2 pot. There's 1 pot. There's 2 more pot here. There's 1 at the corner. There's 1 down there. So these are peanut. So this is the first year I've been growing peanut. Then these are the tomato. As you can see here, they have grown quite big. There are 4 types of tomato. One is the beef tomato, which is really big one. Then the Russian Black Beauty, cherry, and plum tomatoes. So I have got 4 varieties of tomatoes this year. And inside the tomato plants, as you can see, there are 4 tubs of bottle gourd. The bottle gourd plants, as you can see inside the tomato, these are bottle gourd. And those 2 plants are Naga chili, very hot one, very hot. And these are chili plants. I've got 20 pots of chili plants, and especially the big one, they are pepper or capsicum or jalapenos. There are 4 capsicum plants. This one, that one, and those 2. They are capsicum. And this one is a bit bigger. This is Luffa again, and I have got quite a few types of Luffa. There are 4, 5 types, 6 pots of Luffa, as you can see here. These are Luffa. There is 2 more bottle gourd. Seam Urior Hyacinth. There is few more here. Seam Urior Hyacinth. And this is whole tray of bottle gourd. And again, this is peanut, the pumpkin, these 2 pots of pumpkin, and this one is Malawi spinach again, Malabar spinach. And this is bitter gourd, but those are bigger. Those plants are quite big. Actually, I have tried back in February. It was a bit earlier, but it was my trial to see how to germinate them. But it was successful in my first trial. So those 3 plants are the bitter gourd. They are quite big. I think it would be 1.5 feet long. And those plants, they are again cucumber. So there is 1 more. Not these are the elephant ears, adosi, taro, or dashin. I don't know which name do you know. They're looking very healthy, and this is the first year I've been growing taro. In Southeast Asia, they are known as a taro or kochu, and some people may call them, in some parts of Africa, they are known as dashin or elephant ears. So as I said, I have been putting effort since the beginning of February to grow my favorite plants so that I can take them to the ground when the May comes, and finally the May is here with us. Obviously it's very windy today, and as I said, if you have got plants, you have to take them out into the greenhouse if you have got one. If you don't have a greenhouse, no worries, you can take them outside in the sunshine on the first day just for an hour, and the following day 2 hours, and thereafter increase by an hour every day. So that's how you can get them used to the outside environment. If you take them straight away from indoors to the ground, if you plant them straight away from indoors to the ground, they might not survive. The chance is they will die because of the sudden change of the weather and temperature. So as I said, if you have got plants, you have to, it is right time to take them out, and obviously I will be planting them I will take them out to the greenhouse today, and I'll be planting them from next week, and I will keep you updated how they are doing. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and I would like to request you to press the like button and share with others, and if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.